How to log in into Milestone credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Milestone credit card login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, milestonegoldcard.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Milestone. Now from here, you can easily access your account. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Click on the option of My Account. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your Milestone account's credentials. Firstly, type in your username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register Your Account and create your Milestone credit card account. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Milestone credit card account online. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.